Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I wanted to give you guys a proper living room tour of my place and the holiday decor that I had put, of course, along with my theme. So let's get started. So when you walk into my living room, the first thing you see is my dining table, right straight ahead. Then when you turn, next thing you see is my full-on living room, and you see, of course, my amazing tree. So before I even get into details of that, let's look back at my dining table. So we have my amazing giant clock here, but as you guys can see, you have the teal and rose gold theme going on here, right? And I actually already did a video of me decorating my dining table, but this is you guys actually seeing it in the light, in daylight, right? And from since then, I changed the direction of the branches. So the branches were bent down in my dining room decor video, but I decided to make them more up, and I had kind of like this way a lot better. Right, so as you guys know, look at my lovely ornaments, right, which I had also got from QVC, and my lanterns, the teal lanterns, right? Since the video, I've actually added two things. So I've actually added these beautiful wine glasses here. Look at this, guys, these beautiful wine glasses here, rose gold wine glasses, right next to each table setting. And I've also added these amazing, and just so you guys can see, these amazing coasters, teal coasters. Look how pretty that is, right? So one on each table, each place setting, right? So everything is kind of like still lit up, but in the daylight. And then when it's, when the sun starts to go down, you start to see it twinkle a little bit more, right? You got the two combination napkins. You got my faith sign with the trees. You also I got two candles back there. I got these beautiful glass votives, candle holders, and one and two in the back also, right? So there you have it for my dining table decor. Look at that. All right, so now we're gonna make our way around. This is a little decor station that I have here, right? I left that nice and simple, right? Same thing I have here with this gold stand. Left the flowers nice and simple. I was thinking about changing it to holiday decor, but I left them as is. All right, so now we have my two accent chairs. So I guess as you guys figured out now, of course, the theme is teal and rose gold, right? But I have a hint of gold also, right? So I got these teal cushions with the gold accents. I got them from Amazon. So they're cushion covers. So all I did was purchase the covers and cover the cushions I already have. And you save money that way in room and storage instead of having all of these cushions piled up. And then the ones in the back, and it's like a soft velvety feel to them. Nice soft velvety feel to them. And in the back is this nice little fur one. And this is also a cushion cover that I purchased on Amazon. And you got my poof on the floor that just matches everything. And then this same pattern over here. And then you also got my rose gold throw. So let me just back up a little bit so you guys can see my rose gold throw. So I actually got this throw as a gift during my Secret Santa for my job, and it was something that I had on my wish list that I wanted, that I said it would be perfect to go with my decor. And then we have my little coffee, a little I think it's like a little side table, but I put it in the center of these two things, these two chairs. And then I have the two rose gold votive candles, and these also light up. I have them on a timer, and I have my teal candle along with my amazing, beautiful teal vase that I got from Home Goods. And in the candle, I believe I got that for Yankee Candle. And the 2 votives I got from QVC, right? So now we're gonna make our way to my other set of chairs. That's my bar. my other lounge chair. So this is my, like, you know, my couch, my everyday, my sectional, everything. So as you guys can see, I have my teal Euro pillows over there, and I got a nice teal throw that matched those Euro pillows. I also got these beautiful rose gold cushion covers. So they're similar to the teal ones that you guys just saw. And like I said, I just purchased them off of Amazon, and I just covered the cushions that I already have. This white and gold one, I actually received it as a gift in a Secret Santa, like maybe 3 years ago. And I absolutely fell in love with it, and it actually came with the throw to match with it. And then this throw that I really did my amazing, I didn't even realize that the colors is gonna tie to a T. I got this off of QVC with the teal, right? So let me show you guys my coffee table before we get to my tree. So my coffee table is here, as you guys can see, right? I have the 2 votives here as well. I got these nice, beautiful standing trees, and I got this trio in the middle here that actually lights up. So if I get a closer look, you actually see that it lights up. So picture this at night, guys. So when the sun is not beaming and the lights is off in the house, you just see this nice trio going on here in the middle of my coffee table. I absolutely love it, right? So now to bring it to my tree, guys, don't you say a word. My tree, I am literally Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus, guys, I'm Mrs. Claus. So my tree, guys, and just to show you guys my tree, oh my goodness, this is my tree. So my tree, guys, like I said, the theme was rose gold and teal. So I got these beautiful teal, look at that, teal flowers from QVC, right? I got some teal ornaments. I got some rose gold ornaments. I got these beautiful rose and pinkish flowers also from QVC, right? Look how beautiful that looks. Right? And like I said, I got all the different types of colored ornaments, and then what I did was I took spray snow and I sprayed it all over my tree. And guys, when I go with a theme, I go all the way out. So because my theme on my tree was rose gold and teal, the gift wrapping paper was rose gold and teal. So I got some rose gold gift wrapping paper, some teal, and then I would tie with the teal ribbon or vice versa, right? So got a lot of gifts under here, guys, right? So there you guys have it. This is my holiday decor home tour. Let me back up this way so you guys can see. So this is the living room as a whole with the tree. That nice effect. Do you guys see that nice effect? With the tree, with the living room all together. And then to my right, you guys have my dining room. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, hit that notification bell anytime so you get notified anytime I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, bye guys, love you.